Changing the email link to your WhatsApp account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the email. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner for Android or the settings icon at the bottom right for iPhone. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account. This section contains all the account-related settings for your WhatsApp. Step 4. Update email. Look for the option labeled email or change email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. You may need to confirm the new email by entering it again. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You might receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider checking WhatsApp's Help Center for additional support.